Good morning, students. Yesterday, I explained you about Sant Ghadge Maharaj. Today, I am going to teach you page 36 of your textbook. In this textbook, page 36, you see a picture of a weekly market. And next picture is means of transport. My dear students, looking at these pictures, you must answer the following questions. Try this. Visit a weekly market and meet a shopkeeper there. Interview him or her with the help of the following questions. How many years have you been in this occupation? Now, weekly market is on Friday for us, right? So, you must go to the people, meet them. You can see different vegetable sellers are selling vegetables. Some sell groceries. You can see many things in Friday market. We get many things. We always come to Friday market because we get all the things which we need for the week, right? One side there is fish market, one side there is a vegetable market, one side there is a animals market also, my dear students. One side there is one line we see the grocery shops, right? So you have to go to one of the person, meet that person and ask, how many years have you been doing this occupation? Then he will tell you from which village he's come from, or how he brings his things in a Friday market, or for how many years he has started it. He may say 10 years or he may say more than 10 years. Okay, you have to go and do this and write on a page. Okay. Second question is, which items do you sell in your shop? So you ask him, which items do you sell in your shops? So he may say, I sell pulses, I sell cereals, I sell food grains. So he will give you a list what he sells in the shop. Okay. So you have to write that also on a page, on the same page. You make columns and you write. Understood? Question 1. Question 2. Now question 3. Where do you get these items from? Now you must ask him. Now you are selling these cereals, you are selling these pulses, food grains. From where do you get it? Then he will tell you whether he gets from the market or from the district place, no? Wholesale shops he must be bringing and selling in the Friday market. Or he will tell you some of the things are from his farm. Or he may tell you some of the things he gets from the neighboring place or his neighbor's farm. So he will tell you from where he brings these pulses, cereals, food grains. Okay. So that also you have to write on question 3 as answer. Question 4. What means of transport are used to carry the goods? Now you must ask, how you bring this? What are the goods you make use of? Or he may say, I have my own bullock cart. So I start early in the morning from my village and come to your town to sell this. Or he may say that I bring it in the rickshaw. Or he may say I bring this things in the truck. No, so he will give you or he will tell you how he brings the goods to the market to sell. Next question is, you have to write his name. Okay, write his name. Ask him, what is your name? How you run your house? Ask him. You can ask him more and more questions and try to help him by talking to him with a sweet voice. Okay, with good manners. Or you may just go and say, oh, tumi kutun ala? How you brought this? You must not say that. You must talk to him politely. Did you understand? Now, people in villages are dependent on weekly market for their daily needs. My dear students, village people, they buy everything once a week. No, some of the people we also do that. No, right? You bring whatever need for the whole week Some of them bring of the whole month. But vegetables and all we always think of bringing for 1 week. These markets sell all essential items. So as I told you, all the essential items we need, we get from this market. Mainly food grains, vegetables, farming implements, clothes, etc. become available here. Yes, all these things, no? Food grains, vegetables, farming implements, clothes, everything what we want, essential things we get in this market, Friday market, right? For us, the market day is on Friday. The market is also the place where people can meet one another and inquire about each other's well-being. Yes, and in the market we meet many of them, no? Right? Because all of them come to the Friday market and we ask people, we talk to people, we ask, how are you? How is your life going on? Or you ask, will you come to my house tomorrow to help me for this work? No, you talk many things and you develop a understanding between each other, right? And we feel very happy when we meet our people after a long time, or once in a week we meet these people, no? Then we be very happy, we become very happy. So this is your homework for today. Understood? You seeing in this picture also, you can answer many of these questions. You can see in a picture the bullock cart, the truck, the bus, and in this picture you can see woman selling fruits. Then you can see a man over here sitting with clothes, no? You can see how children are going with their mother, with the carrying bags, helping mother. So all these things you can also look at the picture and answer the questions. So this is your homework for today. Thank you, children.